Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you've come back, and if you've just joined in, wow, you're most welcome. You're watching Atutaka Solutions, where we share tips and ideas because we believe sharing is caring. We share everything with love regardless. All right, my name is K Mirembe, and please subscribe to this channel, click on the bell notification so you won't miss any videos. All right, and in this one I'm just going to show you how to know who is tracking your number, your calls and messages and something like that, and how to stop. All right, and if you're ready, I'm just going to start right away, and I'm going to begin by showing you how you can do that. I mean, how you can enable the call forwarding. All right, it's basically a phone setting that you do if you want your calls or messages to go on a certain number, in case the current number is maybe switched off or unavailable. So you just go to your settings and you click on, you can see there is that phone settings. All right, you go to where there is this call forwarding. All right, yeah, so you click on call forwarding, and then you see the options that they'll show you, because here we have call waiting, respond with text, I don't know, my number. All right, so you click on call forwarding. As you see here, it's not enabled, so you want to click in that little icon so you can connect, I mean enable it. So as you can see, it will show you forward to which number do you want to forward your calls to, or if someone else is using your phone, they can decide to forward your calls unknowingly, without you knowing. They can forward your calls to a certain number or to their number, maybe for certain reasons, I don't know, personal reasons or curiosity, or you know, investigations and stuff like that, or you know, for security purposes, whatever the cause is. But yeah, this is how you put, so you put the number to which you want the calls to be forwarded to. All right, so I'm just putting any number. I don't want to put a verified number here. Yes, so you can see it's 971 and 234, right? Just to illustrate for the sake of this video tutorial. As you can see, it's enabled. All right, so now I'm going to show you now how to check who is receiving your calls. All right, or which number. Okay, so you just dial *#21 and then another hash. Okay, as you can see, they'll show you setting interrogation succeeded, voice call forwarding on all calls forwarded to that number that we put. That's why I wanted to first start by showing you how you can do it. I mean, to activate the forwarding before you can know how to deactivate, in case someone is someone forwarded your calls to their number. So as you can see here, it's enabled. All right, and you can clearly see that it's forwarded to, I mean, it forwards to +971, the one that we put earlier on. And these are other things are disabled because no one is I didn't forward my calls to anyone, and no one did that for any reason. Okay, so that is how you can check. Very quick, just a minute away, just seconds. So this is how you can deactivate it in case you found that your calls are going to some number and you're like, wow. If you don't know, or you want to just stop it, you just click #002# and in your dial, on your key, on your phone dialing keypad. All right, so you can see that voice call forwarding, all calls, setting erasure succeeded. You have actually succeeded on erasing that number where your calls were going. All right, so the calls can no longer go to that number that was added before that. All right, so this other one, I'm just going to show you, even if you've not, yes, *#62#, you dial that one, and it will be stopping the other number that was receiving your calls from doing that anymore. All right, as you can see, data call forwarding when unreachable is disabled. Okay, you just want to do this for security, and maybe, yeah, if it wasn't you that did this activity, you may just want to stop it. So if you want to just block it, *#21# to permanently deactivate or disable, whether you know the number who's receiving your calls or you don't know, you just disable everything, and no one can do that, can track your number again, no one can track your phone again. All right, yes. So if you're not the one who did that activity, and you just want to block that, just want to block that activity, all right, you just dial that one, and as you can see, SMS call forwarding, everything is disabled. All right, yeah. So this brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below if you have any other options, any other codes, and let's share. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you. Till next time, bye bye.